the light control robot. Initially, the LDR receives the light. It enables the motor. But at the initial stage, the LDR is at high resistance, so low current flows through. So when the LDR light passes through it, that the photons passes through the LDR, the resistance is lower and the current flows at a high.
Okay.
So this enables the motor to run. So I can say.
You use the light to the left, right control and
So 2 LDR is connected. So when the light falls on the 2 LDR, it enables a motor, two motors to run.
To move. Okay.
So it moves forward.